Today I will share the 39 countries where Filipinos can visit without getting a visa prior to traveling. This applies to ordinary passport holders for tourism purposes only. Now, how do we get this information? We get this from reputable sources like governments and travel websites. They are regularly updated. The following countries and their corresponding entry duration are correct as of February 2025. But if you are planning to travel this year, you must still check for updates. Let's start with Asia and Oceania. Filipinos can enter Taiwan visa-free for 14 days. On January 2023, the program was extended until July 31, 2025. To qualify, your passport should be valid for at least 6 months from the date of entry. Next is Singapore. Filipinos can stay in Singapore for up to 30 days visa-free. No visa application is required. You just need to present your passport upon arrival. Malaysia allows Filipinos to stay for up to 30 days visa-free. Visa-free, you can extend your stay to a maximum of 12 months by applying for the visiting pass online. Indonesia welcomes Filipinos for up to 30 days without a visa. To enter Hong Kong, Filipinos need a visa or a visa exemption. Currently, there is no visa requirement for Filipinos, but you need a re-entry permit if you plan to depart and re-enter Hong Kong during your visit. You can stay in Hong Kong for up to 14 days visa-free. Next is Macau. Filipinos can stay for up to 30 days. You don't need a visa. Just make sure that you have a confirmed flight out of Macau and proof of sufficient funds to cover your expenses while you're there. Cambodia lets Filipinos stay for 30 days, visa-free. No visa application is required. Laos has lifted visa requirements for Filipinos. You can stay for up to 30 days. Vietnam has reopened its borders to international tourists. Filipinos can enter visa-free for up to 21 days. However, you need to apply for a visa exemption online before you travel. Myanmar, or Burma, allows Filipinos to enter through air and land visa-free for up to 14 days. You can extend your stay for another 14 days for a maximum stay of 28 days. Brunei Darussalam welcomes Filipinos for up to 14 days visa-free. Mongolia allows Filipinos to stay for up to 21 days. Kazakhstan, Israel, Tajikistan, and Thailand also offer visa-free travel for Filipinos, but the stay can be as short as 3 days or as long as 90 days, depending on your nationality. Some countries have reciprocal agreements with the Philippines, while others may grant you visa-free entry when you travel by air or sea. So it's best to check the specific requirements based on your situation. If you're looking for a bit of winter sun, then head down under. Filipinos can stay in Australia for up to 90 days visa-free. In the Americas, Filipinos can travel visa-free to Brazil for up to 90 days. For Colombia, the duration is 180 days. For Bolivia, Filipinos can stay visa-free for up to 90 days. For Barbados, the stay is 28 days, and for Costa Rica, 3 months. Also, if you are a holder of a Philippine passport issued in the NCR plus 4, 5, 6, and 7, you can travel visa-free to Dominica for up to 30 days. For Haiti, the stay is 3 months. For Peru, it's 90 days. And for St. Vincent and the Grenadines, it's 3 months. For Suriname, the stay can be as long as 183 days. And in Africa, Filipinos can travel visa-free to most countries for up to 90 days. These include Ivory Coast, Kenya, Morocco, Rwanda, Seychelles, Gambia, Senegal, Burundi, and Botswana. In Europe and the Middle East, Filipinos can stay in Georgia for up to 1 year visa-free. And for Turkey, the stay is 30 days. Filipinos can apply for a Turkish e-visa at the website. There are countries that are not included in this list. Their visa requirements may vary depending on the purpose of your visit. It's always best to check the latest travel advisories and entry requirements before traveling. But wait, there's more. There are more than 50 countries where Filipinos can travel with a visa on arrival or e-visa. These countries include Armenia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan, and Timor-Leste. Tips before you go. Check passport validity. Usually 6 months required. Confirm entry length. Some countries allow extensions. For visa on arrival or e-visa countries, e.g. Armenia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan, Timor-Leste, apply ahead. Keep updated. Policies change, like Japan exploring future visa-free. That wraps up your 2025 visa-free guide. Planning a trip? Let me know which country you're eyeing and comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and safe travels.